everyone, TJ Reviews here with my 326/327th DVD review of my new channel. Today I'm reviewing the DVD menu of the 2009 release of Sesame Street Presents Follow That Bird 25th Anniversary Edition. That's right, so let's get to it. We've got Play 8, and we're going to scenes. We got Grouch Anthem, The Case of Big Bird, Bird Family Dreams, Goodbye, The Dodos, My New Home, The Runaway, Headline News, They're Off, Ain't No Road Too Long, The Sleaze Brothers, Bed in a Barn, One Little Star, Food Fight, Easy Going Day, Haystack on the Run, Upside Down World, Uneasy Riders, Parade Day, Bird Napped, I'm So Blue, Bird Located, Too Many Keys, Follow That Bird, What's the Charge, Home at Last, Credits, Main Menu, Languages, English, Espanol, Portuguese, English for the hearing impaired, Francis, Chinese, Espanol, Portuguese, Off, Continue, Main Menu, Features, Follow That Bird, An Interview with Carol Spiney, Sing Along, Easy Going Day, Grouch Anthem, One Little Star, Play All, Features, Jump to a Song, Grouch Anthem, Sesame Street Theme Song, Ain't No Road Too Long, One Little Star, Easy Going Day, Upside Down World, I'm So Blue, Play All, Features, Theatrical Trailers, Play All, Scooby-Doo, Where Are You, Clone Wars, Smurfs, Peanuts, Snoopy's Reunion, A Pup Named Scooby-Doo, Tom and Jerry Tales, The Wiggles Presents, Dorothy the Dinosaur, Features, Main Menu. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and remember to send me a request for any reviews you want to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys!